Today we will discuss about the basic logic building of arrays. First we will start in this video searching. So first we will go to the linear search. First we will write the code, and based on the code I will explain the logic how it works. Okay. Public static void main string args int arr. Okay, we will take the 7, 10, 18, 1 jersey numbers, all of this. We will take target as the target is 18. So we will create one method which will access this public static int linear int arr comma int target. So first we will take for loop for traversal. We already discussed this traversal in last video. If you did not see in the last video, go and check. It's about the 2 minutes. Yeah. If array of I equal to target, return I. We are returning the index, so that's why. And else, if not, return -1. Here we will call this system.out.println linear array comma target. Yeah, once we will run and check if it's coming or not. Yeah, we are getting the index in position 2. What we have done means, first we will see this PPT. Yeah, if I gave you a roll number list and ask you to find the roll number 25, what will you do? You will search, start from the student 1 and search one by one and stop when you found. It's the exactly what linear search will do. What is linear search? Checking each element by one from left to right until the target is found. That's only we done. You can see here example 10, 20, 20, 30, 40, 50. Here 10, it's not in target, so move to next one. 20, no, move to next one. 30, we found the target, so we will return that. Like how linear search work means, it will start from index 0 and compare with the target. Here you can see that it will compare with the target, and if it is equal it will return I, else it will return -1. Here how it will happens means, array of I means, first array of I means array of 0. Array of 0 means 7. 7 equal to 18. No. So it will not execute this if condition. Next, array of 1. Array of 1 means 10. 10 equal to 18. No. So again it will not execute the if condition. And check 18. 18 equal to 18. So it will execute if condition and it return the indexing position of 2. If you want to return the target only, you can specify like arr of I. Here 18, we have written this. Okay. Yeah, and if the element is not in the given list, we will take the 70 9. Okay, we'll take 9 and we'll run. Yeah, -1, because after traversing entire for loop the element was not found, so it was written -1 like this. This is linear search algorithm. Once check this code and we will go to the binary search. Okay, next we will go to the binary search. We will take real life example, means finding a word in dictionary. You can't do like from first page to you don't see the where I can find the Dhoni, the name like that. You can see from the middle. like we will open in random page and check. If it decides left or right, you will repeat that. Like that only same the binary search works. First we will write the code and we will discuss the logic. Okay. Yeah. First main method and int arr equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Yeah. Next we will check the target. Int target equal to 40. We will take the method which will return the binary search. Int arr comma int target. Int start equal to 0. Int end equal to array dot length minus 1s. Once I am writing the code, you can check these notes. You can understand the theory, and we will discuss once again also. No worries. While start less than or equal to end, int mid equal to start plus end by 2. If you like this explanation, please give me the like. Yeah. If you did not like this explanation, please comment what you did not like. I will improve in that part so I can teach well. If array of else if, yeah, okay. Start equal to mid plus 1. Yeah. Next, return minus 1. Once we will check the code it was working perfectly or not. Okay, we want to specify here system dot out of println binary arr comma target. Yeah, here we got this, and we'll change the input to 20. Yeah, we got the indexing 1. Okay, let's first check this using 30. Here you can see it's a kind of a two-pointer approach. First we'll int start equal to 0 index means 10, and int end equal to last index 4 means we want to get the middle index means starting index plus ending index by 2. Here starting index is 0 plus 4 by 2 equal to 2. So our mid value is 2. So if array of 2 means 30. 30 equal to 30. Yes, true. So it will return that. Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, it was written. And next we will check another condition, 40. Yeah, 40 means 3. So the same, start equal to 0, end equal to 4, 0 plus 4, the mid value is 2. So array of 2 means 30. 30 equal to 40. No. So check the condition, else if 30 less than 40. Yes, the condition is true. So start equal to mid plus 1. Mid value is 2. So start equal to mid plus 1 means 2 plus 1 equal to 3. This is the starting index now, and ending index was 4. So once we will perform again, 3 plus 4 by 2 means 7 by 2, 3. So we'll check again. If array of 3 means 40, 40 equal to target, yes, 2. So it will return it, 3. And next we will discuss using 10. Here you can see, we'll once run it the code. Yeah, 0 index. The starting index is 0 and ending index was 4. 0 plus 4 by 2 equal to 2. So we'll check array of 2 equal to target. No, means 30 not equal to 10. So it will not return. And next step, else if array of 2, array of 2 means 30, 30 less than 10, no. So it will go to this condition, else end equal to mid minus 1. Mid was 2, 2 minus 1 means 1. So end equal to 1, start equal to 0. So 0 plus 1 by 2 means 0. So array of 0 means 10. 10 equal to target. So it will return the mid value. This is the code. You can see here the time complexity of linear search and binary search. We'll mainly use linear search in unsorted array, and we'll use binary search in only sorted arrays. The linear search was big O of n and it was some slow, and binary search was big O log n, it was some fast. Yeah, this is for today.